in the state. Isle Goy has become the epicenter of COVID. खंयच्या स्टेटीनी गोंयकार म्हळ्यार ते म्हणटा तुमची एक कोविड नेगेटिव्ह सर्टिफिकेट आनी एक कोणा लागून जाला आमी पळयलां फाटल्या दिसांनी आनी चालूच आसा कासिनो म्हणून डिटेक्ट जालो आनी that hotel was totally sealed and quarantined. जेन्ना एक केस जाल्ली आसा in the neighborhood casinos आसा casino is full night parties चल्लेली आसा film star जावं television star जावं तांकां हाडटात फुल्ले एडवर्टिजमेंट दिता तुमी पब्लिसिटी दिता आख्खे इंडियेच्या लोकांक आपयता आनी सगळे कडेन व्हिडिओ भायर आयलेले आसता थोड्या कडेन लायव्ह व्हिडिओ चालू आसता देर आर नो प्रिकॉशन्स बीइंग जेन्ना आमी कासिनोची टॉपीक जेन्ना आमी काडले आसा थंयसर as per no information there are high resolution CCTVs on each casino. There are almost 700 to 800 high resolution cameras which can be monitored, and if the administration has got the will, they have to just go and check. What is the chief secretary doing? What is the director general of police doing? Police फक्त there is a dangerous situation that has arisen in Goa. पण आमचे चीफ मिनिस्टर कांयच करिना. आमच्या my colleague स्वप्नेश बाबान सांगला he is not a chief minister. CM stand for chief manager. तो फक्त मॅनेजिंग करता. खंयच्या एमएलए खंय विकतो घेवपाचो, खंयच्यान खंय हाडपाचो, खंयचे खंय सेटिंग करपाचें इतलें ताचें पडना. And now when आमचे cultural identity आसा, one of the many cultural identities which is Shivwa festival, जेन्ना ते celebrate करपाचो टायम आयिल्लो आसा, you are clamping section 144. That means you have an ulterior motive. तूं लोकांक चिडोवपाक सोदता गोंयच्या लोकांक. आनी जेन्ना तुका पत्रकारांनी क्वेश्चन केलें saying you have imposed section 144 just to stop Shivwa festival celebration, तेन्ना तो म्हणटा it is only for public places, not for private places. हांव ह्या दोगांक विचारूंक सोदतां that the coronavirus cannot differentiate between private place and public place. That this is a private place, I cannot go there, I will go only to public place. ये दोगांक माती तकली ना. You have failed Goa. You are not fit to be the chief minister of Goa. You have to resign at the earliest. And the more you continue, you are a threat to Goa. In fact, when you intentionally allow जो लोकांक केसीस डिटेक्ट जाता कोरोना व्हायरसाच्यो आतां लोक गोंयच्या भायर येता, they are going to different states, they are going across the nation, and you are equally responsible for this situation. I can only say it is anti-national activity on the part of the chief minister and the administration for not stopping this COVID situation which is going out of control. आम्ही मानता the central government picked up some of the main clauses in our SOP and implemented in the central SOP which was sent, and it was acknowledged in their email reply. Thanking Goycho. आयज असले सिच्युएशन जाल्ले आसा गोंयचो आवाज श्री आर्तुरो टू डू द डीड.
Captain Baban Jabhai Samla, our Chief Minister is not fit to be sitting on the chair. Is correct. Because Kuchi area tourism zone, Kuchi area health zone, administration zone, revenue zone, Kite zone, Sokala, PWD zone, Tamil zone, Sokala, Kuchi दिशा ते आमका कोण. The administration has failed so badly that even during these pandemic times, we don't get relief. Simple relief. Panchayat जाऊन पंचायत आटून जायला लागतं. कलेक्टर आपण जायला शिकवतात. कलेक्टरांना एक्सप्लेन करपाक जाय. जरी तर तांचे ऍडमिनिस्ट्रेशन सारखे आसा जाल्यार ताणें एक्सप्लेन करूंक जाय कशें 31 केसीस ऑफशोर आमचे ऑफशोर एम्प्लॉईज जे आसात काझिनोचे तेंका कोविड कशें जालें. दुसरें म्हटल्यार ही आमची पळय ऍडमिनिस्ट्रेशन जे आसा ते खंयचे डिरेक्शनान चलता तें म्हाका तेका खबर पासून ना. आता जेन्ना घराक पासून वयता जाल्यार आमी प्रिपेर जाता खंयच्या घराक. तें प्रिपरेशन पासून ना. लोकांक खबर पासून ना कोविड खंयच्या डिरेक्शनान वयता पळय तें. काझिनोन एसी आसता. And we all know that this virus is dependent on the environment. So where there is an AC, it is going to spread. Where there is no AC, now we are going to see that people, what people are doing. Government दिसांनी down AC वयता. So हे preparation म्हणटा research. आमच्या लागीं रिसर्च टीम ना जे आमकां सादे मनशांक ओ लोकांक डिरेक्शन दितले. बाबा तुमी हिंगा वचना कित्याक हिंगा हें जाता. हो रिसर्च ना. गव्हर्नमेंट रिसर्च ना. आनी ताका लागून कोण कितें करता कोण खंय वयता तें कांयच कळना. आमी सगळे दिशाभूल जाले. सगळे एके सायडीन धांवता ते सायडीन धांवता. अशें धांवता तशें धांवता. लोकांक विसरशी जाल्यार बाबा कोविड कशें जाता तें ताका खबर ना. सो मागता सरकार एक रिसर्च टीम तयार करचे. डोंट डिपेंड ऑन सेंट्रल गव्हर्नमेंट. सेंटराक कितें जाता टेम्परेचर तांचो ओवर सकल जाता पळय तें आमच्या गोंयांत जायना. आमच्या गोंयांत सकाळचे सांजचे म्हणल्यार दोन पडटा आनी त्या दोगांक फुडें आनी वाडूंक शकता. सो हे सरकारान ताबडतोब आनी रिसर्च करची आनी फायंड आवट करचें कोविड कशी स्प्रेड जाता पळय.
आता आमचो वायस प्रेसिडेंट ऑफ गोंयचो आवाज श्री रोशन मतायस.
Some long time back, it is not started just now. It has started CM said that on Saturday he will come up with a special SOP for Goa and for all these things. Today we have reached Tuesday and till today there is no SOP. I want to tell the CM of Goa and the people of Goa that if our government is incapable of doing anything, the central government has already got some SOPs in place. Besides that, we as going to ours last year when the pandemic started and the government was again crawling on their feet, it was we who had prepared a detailed SOP and we had given it to the Prime Minister's office, from which a lot of points were taken and included into the central SOP. You could have used that. You knew we were there. We are still there to help you. You have implemented those SOPs in the past in many functions. You just have to implement that and give the permission for the Shigmo festival to go on. What you have done instead, and these are some of the SOPs which I have personally downloaded today from the Ministry of Health and Family Welfare. They have got SOP for hotels and hospitality units. They have got SOP for restaurants. They have got SOP for entertainment parks and similar places. They have got an SOP for shopping malls. They have got an SOP for yoga institutes and gymnasiums. And they also have a SOP for religious places and places of worship. So we have all these SOPs and the date of these SOPs is 1st March 2021, which is just a few days ago. So we have all these SOPs, you need to follow these. Now these SOPs, if you see the section 144 was put for private places, for public places. And this is a printout of what Prime News has come up with. And it says section 144 was only imposed for public roads and public places. It was not imposed for private places. They could do their function with restrictions. This is what CM is saying. Now we as going to ours want to add one line here which maybe Prime Minister has forgotten. Section 144 was imposed for public roads and public places. It was intentionally not imposed for private places. And why I am saying and why we are saying intentionally is because the CM knows that this is the week of Holi and there are so many clubs. The casinos are full and eat and suck out as much as they can from us Goans. The casinos themselves, you know, it is there only to give pleasure and excitement for those who are coming from outside the state. What about us? We get some little revenue from that and most of it is environmental damage. There is sound pollution, there is traffic pollution, everything we have to bear the brunt. The clubs, they were running entire nights from 27, 28, 29th, they went to do daytime parties. And the party started at 11 o'clock in the morning. And they were going right to. First of all, the sound that was used there was what sound is being used like for sunburn and all that kind of big sound. It was a chaos in Kangaling. We have 3 places which are running there. One is Toy Beach Club, one is Bombay Adda and Barrels. Barrels is run by the minister's son. That's why nobody is going to stop it. Toy Beach Club is a club where the Supreme Court has ordered demolition on this. But today orders are coming from Delhi and telling CM directly don't demolish it and it is still standing. The other club, Bombay Adda, is also the same situation where the panchayat and everybody has gone and taken inspection and all, but that is also still going on. When we called the police are going, they are sending one Robert police on a motorcycle to stop such a big party where thousands of people are there. What will that fellow do? Facebook which I have taken, it's of Colombo Beach. I want to know whether CN has managed to sell the Colombo Beach to some private owner. If he's saying that this is not a public place, you see the number of people on this place without masks. Where is your section 144 gone? This is the second picture of the same beach. COVID affected areas like Maharashtra, there is no check on them when they enter. They are simply there. This is an entire COVID transmission zone. And who is affected by this? Our poor people who are selling something, who are trying to do small business on the shack, they get this COVID, and then that is multiplied in thousands and millions to our people in Goa. The next thing what happens is, they will now come with an SOP, and I'm sure this is in the planning. Just like last time, the CM took long time to come with an SOP, and finally they came with an SOP that you have to be quarantined in certain hotels only. And those hotels were charging, I remember, at least up to 28,000, if I'm not mistaken, was the rate of a room for some star hotels. The cheapest was somewhere around 3,200 or something. So now is the time they are collecting these names to see which hotel we can get more commission, and they will come after 10 days with one list of these other hotels to be quarantined. And who has to stay in this quarantine? People like us who have got COVID from these kind of parties and situations. So these people come for 3 days, they enjoy, they go back, we are struggling for next 14 days. That includes death of our people. Who is ready to take the responsibility for this? Can the government compensate a loss of a family member? Is our question. So just because you want to satisfy some private crony capitalists, you want to put the entire state into danger with things like this, then I think so, and we all think so, and we are assured that you are not fit to be the CM, you are not fit for any governance. It's better you please resign and go home and let somebody else take over and keep our Goa safe and peaceful. Today Goans are scared to come out again. These people are roaming. Today in Kangaluru you see our people are struggling to go to work because last night the sound was on till 5 in the morning. And what about those people? They have counted their money last night and they are still sleeping. This is our situation in Goa. What are we getting? Only pain and grief, nothing else. So we are also thankful to the deputy collector, who actually went and did inspections in and around the place. You will see this has come on Herald today, where he has stopped some parties. Holi party, this is in Anjuna, I think he stopped one party, Arpora. And that is a new casino which has come, the poker gambling place. So we are thankful. And these are the people who are really working. Despite the SOPs, they are trying to save Goa and save Goans from all this distress. And that is why we thank them for doing good job. And we hope and pray that CM takes this thing seriously, listens to the health minister, comes up with an SOP immediately, and control these situations that are going on